Everybody will come down for support Rosalee. Una play in her face. Una could never take the child serious and turn out so. Me say all K, she in her outfit look like she vex. K and Jabas, them look most disappointed. Like, you know, my overdress. My way overdress. And then minute you say the bar for Akeem. Yeah. And Akeem party by the way. And Rosalee name. So Rosalee party worse than Carnival? Rosalee party worse than Carnival. Me not ask because I know say Carnival time the whole heap of Lego them come. You know you travel as your baggage. Yeah. And it don't look no weird to them, you know. And lava him brave and me a host. Me say me not in a liar force me ever do this. Work with so much old people. I force me. No liquor no buy, no liquor no buy. Me say when I tell me not to let me can run up and down in a Rosalee party, I want to play a run down and lick. True. I don't want party where you can play hide and seek. The party they are run down and lick party. Me say you want to see them? Me say this scanty here. Me say this really scanty. You know like when time football match over and the time for clean up? Everybody will walk. The people all walk, so see them here? It just freely. Me say, Jesus, deliver me. Me I say, no. Me I say, this not funny. Me I say, this don't funny. You could have just go. If you come from the store, like your mother said you got shop, you could have just walk go.
Somebody know when me I thought them say sports bar and jeans.
Yeah.
Hey, beloved.
The somebody said the party was alright. And this year disrespect Rosalee. I saw no like when up on a dirty mouth. You know why you can say the party was alright? It's because you are saying that yourself say Rosalee is a nobody, so you never expect better. Move your hypocrite self and go. You're not dangerous, see? You're not dangerous. The amount of dirty people where they favor tales from the crib to return of the living dead. Everybody look like. I wonder if it's a zombie party. Me say I hear dead people today. I hear corpse, me say. Me not ask you. The dance is really overweight for true. The dance is overweight. Everybody big. Everybody. Rosalee did that for job. Maybe say she unable. She not stable. Yeah.
Come here, bestie. Come here now.
Wanna leave the girl, make her check. We not leave Rosalee alone. We not leave all clothes government.
So bestie, how much time Akeem wear that jacket there?
Come show me the jacket. Them say Akeem favor. Mrs. Smarty Ticks in the comments say Akeem favor warrior or not. And it's true, them can't put together. I pay all clothes.
You remember the jacket where Raja did wear
Me say Raja did look good. My sister represent.
You remember the jacket where Raja did wear when him there in England with the white socks?
Akeem, way about that?
Yes, my love.
You don't say. Akeem broke, man. Come here. Jesus, Akeem broke.
I'm not finding it good.
A trick, Akeem, a trickery. The party.
Come here, see ya.
No, man, not the last night video. That's a long time video that.
Bestie.
A long time video that, man. At the string him wear last night, Akeem could have never wear the guitar. Somebody tell me for the guitar him wear last night. Mighty God. Akeem have no clothes.
People them funny. People them say hurry up dressing.
But when you say Akeem in that already.
Then that me tell you how much time I'm going to wear the same jacket.
Mighty God.
I must a tarp.
Why Akeem go for play the music? What when me tell them to say, when me always talk about dirty crowd, wouldn't you believe me though? No seat for myself. Party was very dirty. Me say when me look on the party, all my eye have in dust. They might do some things through the app, you know. They might do some things through the app, man, all my eye have in dust. I could even look on Rosalee good. All of the foreigner them still. Trump more immigration stand up at airport when you not come up. More immigration discipline uno for come down, so.
So that could have keep us safe.
I think that was a ritual.
It could have keep us safe.
I think it was a ritual. I think that party was a ritual. You can't dirty so. You cannot dirty so. That party not real. That was a ritual.
Like favor 99.
Mr. From hey, Rosalee belly flat, you see her ab. She have one big ab in them camera that come in a 6. Mr. Rosalee have a ab there over the table. Mr. Rosalee have a ab. Come here, we was no sir. Rosalee make sure pack up the whole of her 6 them, you know. She pack up the whole of her 6 them. Yeah, the girl not leave them in a single file. She group them in a... I say when I see Rosalee belly over the table. Happy birthday. Why you never go last night go celebrate with Rosalee if you don't say today was her birthday, my baby? You could have get a free pass. You never have to dress up. You could have go like you got shop.
All our 90 she could have.
You could have wear all your 90 for you. I say when I see Rosalee belly. I have to say, Jesus. I not lie, Rosalee and Akeem really look good together. I not telling a lie. Them favor something. When you look at Akeem and Rosalee, I come to the mall now. When me and you that say, I not lie, I not telling a lie, I don't like to walk them time there. Because I have to just lay down so I can see joke here. The joke took me out. From the see them and walk hands in hands, I just lay down so. You ever get some jokers that they can't, but they just knock out? I mean, I say I never know, say my temporize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
From a see that kind of couple, them know what mine own.
What come after 9? No must them 2 there.
10.
Them no favor number 10.
10.
Me say, me not tell no.
And the 0 oversized, you know.
What? Me say me that lay down a ground cause this a joke. If me ever go mall, see me go buy one underwear and see me not know them. I just walking casually and talking. And me just come and look, me just come. That's a joke here took me out. This joke took me, this is not a laughing joke. That joke can make you faint. You know, your friend just casually attack. And Akeem and Rosalee walk and come home. And your friend casually attack. And then you just laugh and say,
I can't bother. I give you now.
True people. You have some of the joke them, you know. We took you out, you know. You will never get some joke. Nessa Purple, you never get some joke where you just can't bother laugh. But it just mash you up. You just said so.
So lava fly down for this?
So lava not have nothing for do.
No man.
After lava not have no work. Lava no can't do anything.
Any you as a so-called big selector fly down for dirty party?
If I not him buy him ticket, him no can't do even lava there for and live with him people, them not them take care of him. Oh, lava train for going to nursing home. That's why him come at the party. What it feels like to have a bedside nurse. Make lava take off him after you get UFO. I don't know one keep on him at some. Him sleeping night though. Him have an ugly head, you know. Him have a head was shaped like Akeem's shirt when we were last night, the guitar. I ask you, love our father, our mother. Is this my water? Love our father, our mother. Yes, Star Trek. The next Enterprise. Yeah, in a COVID, lava make him name. Lava gone now, man. Yeah, gone. I said, Father, forgive us for displaying such dirtiness.
Oh my God.
I said the people them at the party, nothing can take the woman without teeth. I said the lady didn't have no teeth and she have video and I make video. Hey, the devil really blind. We not. I said the other time, suppose them ask she for bite all dumpling in the night. Suppose gas hook her.
And she have a drink a cup of soup.
And she have to drink a cup of soup and them give her all chicken foot. I go cut up. She cut up, man. I said the lady. I say me if you wonder whose great grand is this. Mr. Jamaica has never felt so old and dirty until last night.
Oh my God, Bessie.
Old and dirty. All the video quality, it just having obia. It blurry. All me did them, me said the lady, suppose somebody ask her if I drink a cup of red pea soup. Suppose them do the soup challenge. The dumpling and butter. She have to go suck for her flour. She have to go suck for her flour, because I know that now by it, you know. I mean, I want the fact, Joker. So I go beg her cut it. Me say, hey. Yeah, it's true. I see the woman in the pan. Yeah, I say, one Rosalee. I say, one Rosalee, friend. One Rosalee. Rosalee. I miss him. I just sit down somewhere. I say, come here. I just want to grab the lady, jar them. I say, you chugga-dugga-dugga-dugga-dugga. I just want to do them something there. Oh God, you know, say I go take up nursing.
I think you should do.
Me take up nursing. I feel say I get along with those persons. Yeah. Me just feel, cause all she last night moved me. I say she remember her days, you know, when she was young, you know. And it's a tanta. Yeah, man. It looked like she was a night walker in her day. It's true. She have to wake up alone this morning. Then more know how favorite is. She's supposed to drink mouthwash though. Like Heineken.
If the people them wear them kind of clothes they go at a party, right? What them drink?
Yeah, yes, and not so everybody walk with them own a legal. It was a camping hiking. A fat people camp. You know, boot camp.
Keep right at the top of sea view.
It couldn't keep no because I keep in the gully. Yeah. Me say me didn't want to go. Some people them say them drink ensure. Me say I keep my talk about as a young youth. I keep my nala, you never look young last night. I keep come here. Yeah, come here. You never look young last night. I keep as a young youth. I keep you look tangled. At that over man tell you for wear the things them with the string. Cause you couldn't brave, so fear repeat. Them people them no sir.
Much where you wrapped up and tied up Rosalie.
What? But all my ladies.
The checkers them in a female.
When I tell Mr. Jabas stand up over a corner like Jabas, I say, Jesus, why am I bother dress up so? Why am I bother?
Look good?
Well, him clothes, him outfit look good, but Jabas shape come out. Mr. Jabas shape. Jabas shape do me this.
My friend, mine I get whiplash, you know.
Jabas, me no want. Jabas, me no want laugh. Me say Jabas. Confidence is a backside. Hey, Jabas and Jenny, remember me, Rosalie and Akeem, wanna stick together. Wanna have some rotted shape. Wanna have some shape. Confidence is a backside in a man. Huh? Confidence is a backside. I say, Jabas, me not tell a lie. You should just got the party and make no video. Yeah, your video them should have been long distance. I say, Jabas, my friend, trust me. You see, when time I see you make the video, your clothes them nice, and I'm not going to tell a lie in your clothes. But them just not forget upon you. Jabas, I say, when I see you rowny and you knocky, I say, Jesus. No, sir. So no bandy boy like people are up on the app. Wait, there's a season for knock knee? Me just ask somebody something. Is a season for knock knee? Because Jabas need knock for me name ankle so till the shoes turn, you know. You know, and Rosalie need knock for me na belly. For me na belly so till she said so. Me no know how people need knock from in them ankle, but Jabas showed me that last night. And Rosalee need knock from in her belly. Me say me could, me no know, me I experienced these last days. Jabas have on a pants like my shorts. You know? Me have on a pants like my shorts. But me I tell you, all the pants Jabas knock. Jabas knock all the studs, the diamond them pan the shoes. Everything I look like mackerel. You see like mackerel eye? I saw everything, everybody at the party. Me say, it's a season for knock me. Me say, when Jabas said diamond, see me how? So Jabas could have go in there and carry it, you know? Everybody has something at the Karachi or Vogue. Yeah, me not tell you, me did have to laugh off of my friend Jabas.
Akeem shoes ugly.
Me can see shoes again. Jesus have mercy, Akeem dressed in a suit. And the suit Akeem wear back. I wonder if that the woman tell him, wear back the suit with the string and you will get the net because it's the internet. Me not tell you lie. Me not tell you lie, Jabas, my friend.
Come here, Misty. Don't forget to look where you say though.
Jabas? Jeez. Lend me this. You know, send a lie me I tell people. Me I show no send a lie me I tell. Brother Jabas, nobody hate me this man. You need my friend, please, but me did have to do this. Nobody hate my brother Jabas. See fit your people. Boy, Ati, me say Jabas, you're shy. Jabas, so you're shy, so. Shy, man. Yeah. Mr. Jabas, you can't see say you need knock from in your ankle. I kid you not. You see say you need knock from in your ankle. Jabas, me not. Jesus. I just want to see Jabas shine him clothes. Shy. Somebody say out and bloated. No, for true. You see, boy, I'm not in the light when I come out though. When I come out, I'm not travel no. When I look better than me.
Jabas even tough back thing.
Nice, you know. Everybody at the party clean, you know. Everybody at the party clean. Oh, me say me not tell no lie. The first video me see at the party, me I wonder if I in a Annie house. The first video me see at the party, me I say them Jag and him sister them still a fight. And that me I say no. Me I say, didn't who send me this? Me say Martin and Rosalee party me want to say. And him say look. And me say, me look again. And me think I can't bother with this. And Martin have to tell me say a Rosalee party. Me say, huh? Then what are we take? That are we take the mic? And you talk about Slutty. Slutty could never do this. And then you and Slutty did it for life, K. K, you answer. And then you and Slutty did it for life. Yes, your life funny. Slutty could never do this. But Shana with the dog with 10 points, where you there? 10 points. Look here, 10 points, go take up the slippers. And bring it come. Hmm? Is that Kenny take away your dog, you know? So is that Kenny take away your dog, my love? You see, on a little bit I'm bad. And when people are talk about you know, you say all sort of something. No, on a hypocritical bad, you know, that's why I don't wrong Shana now for go with it. What is it again, Kay? Your trophy. Yeah. One of wicked, that's why I tell them, say no friend of the panap, them for believe my phone, and they know 15% it there. I plug it in. Your sister Winnie! Your sister Winnie! Sister Winnie! You think you are gonna make Jabas beat me? You think you are gonna make Jabas see me and kick out my botanist? Your sister Winnie, I thought you like me. I thought you appreciate me.
Good morning, Winston.
Oh, hold on, the people.
Discover. Discover.
play Discover now, man. Let me talk to Discover. Everything I look up in the area now. I mean, I want the NC showing on the screen. You know? Yes, my child, I got something now, charge. Yeah, thank you, Martin. Thank Martin. You can't open this and she'll have some of the excitement out of me. Who lock it?
It was open?
No, it never opened. No, man, not open. Not open. Not open it. No, not open. It never open. I the wrong one me I think about. I don't want to overstall, yeah. Yeah. Why me not telling a lie? Brother Jabas, big up yourself. You did look good though. Your outfit look good, Jabas. Yeah, man, you did look good. I say when I look on the party, man, it's refreshing. It's a refreshing piece of party, huh? I wonder if Jaden party can tap that. As Jaden supposed to rejoice, you know, when him see the turnout of it bountiful. Jaden supposed to say, yes, sister girl. You go on in your angle, your bangle and triangle. Through our files, through party shot, a STD. You think a joke? A the real STD that. Real. I think she should have come down for this though. She should have come down for the wedding. She at this. Then our Jakes never did it. Jakes, I never go. I them some make Rosalee in her feelings, you know. You see all you big old. You're not here, you know. Come here, say you have something LT pop out, you know. So me here. I saw me here say you lick down see you like a bowling. Yeah, go on, you know. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Him did over the wall. Okay. Yeah.
So what they on the table then?
Which table? Me not see people are walking in the dance with all fold up table. Me say, nobody can tell me say. And me say people are walking in the party with fold up tables and I pass through the crowd without saying excuse. When I time after 3, me I wonder if the people let me reach. Me I wonder what time the party ever start. Yeah, people just walk so like everybody like me feel say them I represent Rosalee. Oh, she used to sell nuts. Yeah, man, me just feel it's cause them couldn't take the child serious. Yeah. Them couldn't everybody will come down for support Rosalee. Wanna play in her face. Wanna could never take the child serious and turn out so. Me say all K she in her outfit look like she vex. K and Jabas them look most disappointed. Like, you know, my overdress. My way overdress. All things to sell. Remember a crowd them a work and then minute you said the bar for Akeem. Yeah. And Akeem party by the way. And Rosalee name. Them stay bad and when me used to talk say the appear stay bad people are turn up. You know say Rosalee party worse than carnival? Rosalee party worse than carnival. Me not ask because I don't know say carnival time the whole heap of Lego them come. You know you travel as your baggage. Yeah. Rosalee party worse. And it don't look no weird to them, you know. And lava him brave and me a host. Me say me not in a liar force me ever do this. Work with so much old people. I force me ever work with so much old people. Me and Diamond should have got together hand in hand. But me tell you what, Diamond you're a hypocrite too. That's why anything Jaden do you and figure it out, you deserve it. You deserve it, Diamond. Because imagine you make Rosalee who claim to say she at 32. I want to know she how much now. Rosalee who says she at 32, you make she host the senior party before you and I. Diamond, you're a bitch. Gotta see me, Joe, buckling up and play with my toe. I don't like them something here. Diamond play a 5th economist. That's what the people them say. Come here for talk our language. We have to talk with language. Diamond play a 5th economist. Calamusa, Cala something. Diamond play that color something there. But nobody don't, no dress code not take the party. I want somebody take the party and mash up Rosalee party, the lady without teeth. Ooh, chiquitita. She had the only one. She the only one. Me never. Rosalee, you do a good thing for people, though. I one thing I like with you, you do a good thing for people. You care about old people. I always think say you have black heart and bad heart. You don't care about who having them right teeth from who having them wrong teeth. You don't care about that. All you know say, them a come. So you have any mashed potato and ensure, because you can't have nothing with bone, you know. You can't imagine them a crack a leg. Mr. The lady, them the one get one leg for scratch her gum, because it look like she had teeth. But them did say once a man, twice a child. So anything possible at the party. Yeah. Them say once a man, twice a child. They say I want to give the lady one chicken leg bone for scratch her gum. And never see mouth empty, so yet the woman break front want some crackery. The woman break front want some crackery. Ceiling want a chandelier. Me not tell no lie, you know, the woman just empty, so first me see clothes basket empty. I said it myself. Yeah. Me say space in the woman mouth, you can play football. Me say when the woman attack, you think a skate land. I want moonwalk on the rollerblades in her mouth. Me not ask you. The lady they forget for her food blended. Yeah, pale liquid, she for drink for her rice and peas with straw. And so she for eat for her Sunday dinner. Me not lie. Blend everything. And then Rosalee come out. And you for do something. That are not golden girls, cause them hot. Them have indentures. Me say the lady feel free like she never fly with her polygrip. Like she never fly with her polygrip, Barbie. The lady feel free. You don't believe me? The lady mouth free. Me know Rose and Dorothy did have in for them, then she. Me say me not tell you say I want moonwalking at the lady mouth on a rollerblades. I want to bid it. And then change it to Dirty Diana. Boy. Dirty. Me just want moonwalk. Now ask you. You mad? Me say no, sir. Me say Jesus are coming on. When I see all of them sacrifice, I say Jesus is coming soon, morning or night. If God did ever come last night, I'm sorry for we. I think we alone that get punishment though, because we are do some brave something, you know. We are do some very brave out of pocket things. Yeah. We are do some very brave something. Now when Rosalee tell him, say, no man, come dirty. Come dirty. Yeah, me see one of them. You see one of them Chiquitita. You see fear so. To all fear skin give up, you know. Fear laugh line there, so. Fear shoulder have a laugh line. You know a laugh line? Fear shoulder have a laugh line right here, so. Me see when the lady attack, I see her and hear me a smile, I'm a smile. I will laugh, it a laugh. It have a laugh line. Go back and watch the video. I don't think those persons are real people. I wonder if it's the first case of UFO them, yeah. Because them know Jamaicans stay, so them would have put themselves nicely together. And them know the internet. I don't think these people are real people. I don't trust no shadow. After hours. I AI them. I mean, no K and Jabas are looking and say, me can't tell you what them I think. Waste of time this, you know. I feel vintage. I feel like Cadillac Records. I feel like Motown. I feel like the Supremes. Yeah, man. I wonder if I Elvis Presley, my father. Afar, them drag back K and Jabas, you know. Them give K and Jabas a piece of history lesson last night and know that the two individuals, them not bright. Them have no graduation certificate. Eh? And a history.